If you have a new YouTube channel and you don't know how to make money from it. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money from a YouTube channel that is not monetized. It is very easy to do. You don't need any investment or credit card at all. All you need to do is watch this video from the beginning to the end and follow each step carefully. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, go to this website right here, canva.com. This is a free website where people come to create graphic designs and a lot more. You can sign up for free. To do that, you can sign up with your Google account, you can sign up with your Facebook account, or you can sign up with your email address. Once you do that, you will land on this page. This is an online platform where a lot of people all over the world use to create logo design, graphics design, edit videos, create free YouTube thumbnails, and a lot more. If you look right down here, we have whiteboard, we have presentation, we have video, we have Facebook post, we have infographic, we have a for document, and if we click on the arrow, we are going to see more designs. We have logo, we have t-shirt, we have flyer, we have Facebook cover, we have Instagram post, and more. For this video, we are going to be focused on the t-shirt design. So, click on t-shirt right here. Once you do that, let it load. You will land on this page right here. If you look on the left-hand side, you are going to see a lot of t-shirt templates to use. Most of the templates on this page are free. So, we are going to scroll through the templates and choose a very good one to use for our project. There are a lot of templates to choose from. Not all of the templates are free, so you have to look out for the free template. Now, let us choose this one right here, for example. You and me. Click on the design and it will appear on the editing board. To edit this template, all you need to do is click on the object you want to edit and you can be able to make an edit. To change the color, just click on the object you want to change and click right up here. Once you do that, this panel will appear on the left. All you need to do is choose the color you want. Let us choose green for example. As you can see, the color has been changed. You can do the same with all the objects. To make the objects bigger, just click on the object and drag them to the size you want. To change the position of the object, just click on the object and move it to where you want it to be. Let's change the write-up from you and me to me and you. As you can see, all you need to do is click on it and you will be able to edit the write-up. To change the color of the bigger object, let's click on it, and then click right up here, and the color panel will appear on the left-hand side. Now you can choose the color you want. For this video, let us choose green. Once you are done editing your t-shirt template, it's now time to download your template. To do that, click right up here, where it says share. Click on download. Click on download again. Once you do that, the template will be downloaded to your PC. Now, go to this website, teaspraying.com. This is a website where you can simply solve the solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. You don't need your credit card to sign up. To get started, just click right here, where it says, Start Creating. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Right here, you can put in your name or your brand name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, and click on I'm not a robot. Once you are done, scroll down and click on Sign Up. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. So, once you are on this page, if we scroll all through this page, you are going to see a lot of print-on-demand products to choose from. We have mugs, we have t-shirts, we have hoodies, book covers, and a lot more. For this video, let us choose this one, the hoodie right here. So, click on it and let it load. You are going to land on this page right here. Right here you can edit your design. To change or add more colors to the hoodie, click on the plus button right here. This panel will open up. All you need to do is choose or pick the colors you want your hoodie to be printed in. To do that, just click on the colors and pick the colors you want. For this video, we are going to be choosing only the white color. Once you are done choosing, click on Done, down here. To add the image we designed, click right here, where it says Add Image. And you will be able to choose the image you designed from your PC and add it to your design. As you can see, the image will automatically appear on the design. To make it bigger, just click on it and drag it to the level within the red line. Make sure the design is within the red line. Once you are done, scroll all the way down on the left-hand side, and right here, the hoodie is going to be selling for $41.99, and you will be making a profit of $6.95. Which is a very good profit. The coolest thing is that you don't have to print or deliver the hoodie yourself. This platform will handle everything for you. All you need to do is share your link on your channel and ask your viewers to buy your merchandise and support your channel as a creator. Now, click on Continue down here. Once you are here, click on Continue again. Right here is where you are going to put in your title and your description. You can put in your YouTube name as the title. This will make it more interesting. And make sure you put in a very good description right here. For this video, I'm just going to put in me and you for example. Once you are done, click right down here, where it says, Publish Listings. Once you do that, it will load. And right here as you can see, congratulations. Very easy and simple. To promote your design, just click on Share URL right here, and the URL will be copied. All you need to do is share the URL on your YouTube description, and once people buy your design you will be able to make money right away. Right on this side, you can click here to edit your design. To view how your design will appear on your store, just click right here, View Listing. Let it load. And right here, this is how your design will appear on your store page. From here, all you need to do is promote and share the link to your store, and once people buy your design you will be making money. And that's it guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.